So in this video we'll do factorization of quadratic polynomial and a value is not equals to 1. So we'll do two questions. So here you can see a value is 2 and a value is 3. In both the cases we take, so a value is not equals to 1. Now coming to the first question, 2x squared plus 7x plus 3, we have to factorize it. So first step is we write all the parameters, all coefficients and constants. So a is 2, b is positive 7, so write the sign also with it, and c is positive 3. So these are the values with their signs. And then we write, we need product, so which is a times c, and we need sum, which is b. So what is the product? A times c, so it is 2 times 3, so which will be positive 6. And sum is b, so which is positive 7. So now we look for two numbers whose product is 6 and sum should be 7. So we always try with first 1 times the number. So 1 times 6, both are positive we take, and when we add it, so we get sum as 7. So that means this pair works for us. So now we rewrite the quadratic polynomial once again, starting from 2x squared. So 2x squared, and then we write the last one plus 3. In between terms we'll write with the help of this. So first is your plus 1, so plus 1 and the variable x. So whatever the variable is in the question, so that we should write. And then we write plus 6 and the variable with it. Then make pairs like this by underlining them. And from the first two, out of the two numbers, we don't get anything common. Out of x squared and x, we can factor out x. So we have 2x and plus 1. Then after that, remember to take the sign, the plus, and out of 6 and 3, we can see we factor out 3 now. So because 6 can be written as 2 times 3. So 3 is factored out. What is left here? So it is 2. So variable cannot be factored out. So it is 2x and nothing is left here. So it's always times 1. So we write 1. If you have got this pair correct, that is their product and sum always are good here. So in that case, you will get this pair, which is same. So we factor it out. So 2x plus 1. So this is factored out. Now you can see what is left here. So this is x. So we write x, then we write this plus, and then we write this one as 3. So we get the factors 2x plus 1 and x plus 3. These are the factors for the quadratic polynomial 2x squared plus 7x plus 3. Now the second question. So we have to factorize 3y squared minus 5y plus 2. So again, first we start with the values. So a is 3, b is minus 5, and c is positive 2. So we write the product. So it is a times c and the sum is b. So we write here the product value is a. So a is your 3, b, c is 2. So 3 times 2 both are positive. So we get positive 6, and the sum b value is minus 5. Now we start factorizing it. So first we check if we take plus 1 times plus 6. So it is product is 6, but when we add it, we don't get minus 5. That means this pair does not work. Then we check the second pair. So we write it as 2 times 3. So if we take both as positive, so let us first check. 2 times 3 is 6, so it works here. But when we add it, we get minus 5. But we get 5, whereas we have to get it as minus 5. So for that, what we do, we put minus for both. Now we check once again. If we multiply them, we get positive 6 because both are negative. So we get positive 6. And when we add them, so we get negative 5. So that means it works for both. Now we rewrite the quadratic polynomial. So first we write 3y squared, and then we write this plus 2 in the end. And in between, we write with the help of these numbers. So what is the first number? So minus 2, and what is the variable in the question? Y. And then the second one is minus 3 and the variable y. Then make pairs like this, and then out of the first pair we can see no number can be factored out, but the y can be factored out here. So we take out one y, so we are left with 3y minus 2. Then don't forget to put the sign minus, and out of the second pair we can see nothing can be factored out, because 3 and 2, they don't have any common factor, and y is only in this term. No y is in the second term. So in such cases, when we cannot factor out any number or variable, so always remember to put 1 as the factored number. Now what is left here? So it is 3y, so we write 3y, and then we write 2. I've left the space because this is very important. So whenever you are factoring out a minus, when we factor out a minus, so remember that this sign will change. So if it is positive, it changes to negative. If negative, it changes to positive. Now here it was positive, so it changed to negative. Now after this, as I said, if you have got the correct factors for this number which satisfies both the conditions, in such cases you will always get this pair as common. So we write it as 3y minus 2, and then what are we left with? In the first one it is y, and in here we are left with minus and 1. So these are the factors. So 3y minus 2 times y minus 1, factors for 3y square minus 5y plus 2. So try to factorize this question yourself. Pause the video and try it. And once you get the answer, you can check the answer on the next slide. Hope you got the factors correct. Thank you.